situation in Manipur, of course, in the aftermath of violence, which one has witnessed a couple of years ago, continues to be a raging issue that the opposition party have been raising. But importantly, RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has today made a mention of that. He's basically said that when there was peace in the region for 10 years, nothing really happened. But peace has not been restored for a very long time, and it's an area of concern as far as the northeastern state of Manipur is concerned. In fact, today also an incident was witnessed when the advance convoy of the Manipur chief minister was supposed to go to one of the districts was attacked, and of course security personnel met with injuries as far as this is really concerned. The opposition parties have been rallying behind themselves, obviously questioning the Narendra Modi government about their inaction on Manipur and failing to control the entire situation as well. And they've been wanting the issues to be raised by every time that the Prime Minister gets up to speak as well. But one must remember that the Prime Minister did speak extensively in Parliament about the situation in Manipur, and he said that the visuals that came out where a woman was paraded naked was extremely shameful, and whether it was the daughter from Manipur or whether it was the daughter from anywhere else, no guilty person should be spared as well. Action was followed soon after the video had gone viral, and Mr. Amit Shah had also come out on the floor of the House to explain why happened, what had happened, and how the culprits were really nabbed as well. The situation has been extremely precarious since then in Manipur over the last couple of years, with the violence breaking out in various districts of the hills as well. Several casualties has been seen ever since then, and there's been a lot of animosity between the two major tribes, the Meiteis or of course the Kukis over there as well. The demand of the opposition parties constantly has been that Biren Singh should step down because of his inaction to be able to control the situation out there. But however, the BJP has rallied behind Biren Singh, and Biren Singh still continues to occupy the chair as well. This is the situation that Mohan Bhagwat extensively spoke about, and spoke about the fact that enough action should have been taken so that the situation was brought under control.